Okay, this is top Flite Giant P-47. I am currently working on getting wiring, retract servo, and air valve along with air lines routed this evening, making some of the systems function, just getting ready to do a test. I chose the German scheme, the captured scheme, just because it's a little bit different than your standard P-47 with the invasion stripes on it. Also, obviously the Razorback, as far as I'm concerned, it's the coolest P-47 out there, better than the bubble tops. Everyone has their own opinion there. The bubble tops are cool. I way prefer the Razorbacks. But anyways, I'll just give a quick little tour. I got the cockpit installed. This is all a handmade cockpit using styrene from the local hobby shop, and you can see it in there. I don't know how well that's showing up, but it took some time, but was well worth the work, I think. And I made a fiberglass canopy for it, just because I didn't really care for the vacuum formed one. It was okay, but you know, I wanted to take that extra step. Still don't have any glass installed yet, so once that's done, I'll get the bird cage actually mounted on its rails. We'll go from there. But right now my primary goal is to make the systems work. So tonight is the retracts. Behind this access panel right here is where the switches are at, the fill valve and the gauge for the retract system. And I've just made this crude little tool. It's just got a couple magnets on it. This compartment door is held shut with magnets. So we have stronger magnets on the outside that allow me to grab it and open it up. So like I said, I got a switch for the radio. I got another switch for the wingtip lights and the ID lights, the fill valve, and the pressure gauge for the retract system. So we're going to go ahead and run a test on the retracts, make sure everything works okay. We'll just take a quick little walk around the front here. I've got the motor installed, Zenoa G62. Still need a prop for it. Guns need painted, a little bit of detail stuff like that. So we'll set right here. We'll see how this is going to work. We'll reach back here, turn our radio on. Okay. And retracts down. I hear the valve, I hear some air movement. And there's one. And one more. Down. And locked. And the tail wheel is also down. So let's go up. Good up motion. Both up and locked. Tail wheel is up. Let's try coming down here. Tail wheel's down. One main. Two mains. Down and locked. Okay. I'm gonna come around the back. I'll show you the tail wheel motion here. I've got what's called a servo slow installed here, which really actually is not scale for this aircraft. You watch a full-scale tail wheel retract on these airplanes, and they really go up quite fast. But I really needed to slow it down in this airplane. It just slammed back and forth in there, and I just couldn't cope with that. It was way too violent. So I installed the servo slow, and this is the action we get. Oh, that's there we go. That's something I got to work on a little bit. I got to fine-tune the pull cables, obviously, for the tail wheel steering, because from time to time it hangs up. So their tail wheel's down again, and we got a couple mains down again, so that's good. And let's go up one more time here. Tail wheel retract. Doors are shut, mains are up and locked. Beautiful. everything looks like it's functioning just the way it should. I got rudder installed, and elevators are working at this point. No flaps or ailerons yet. So let's step back here one more time, see if we can get the whole shebang here in one shot. Look at all those wires and stuff hanging out of the bottom there. Tail wheels down. One main. Pressure's getting low a little bit, I think. And two mains. Coming up. Both mains up and locked. Tail wheel up. Beautiful. Very, very pleased. Very pleased. All my friends that are watching this will know that I really want to get a solo prop for this airplane. It'll just really set it off, I think, but we'll have to see how that works out. More to come later.